It's been a while since I've been filming, but I have an orange box to unbox together with you guys. And also I wanted to catch up with you guys as I've been not making videos in the last month. So there's some important updates about me, and hopefully you guys will enjoy today's unboxing and my update. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been filming videos. You know, life is great and it's been pretty busy for me that now I have gone back to work, and also I have to raise a little toddler. It's been a while since I filmed a video and I literally haven't had time to go shopping or to do anything for myself really, because you know, you guys have been a follower for a while. You guys know that my husband and I, we had our first child in 2021, so this year he's going to turn 2 in summertime, which consumes a lot of energy from the both of us. And obviously, you know, on my days off, I've been just trying to catch up with everything else. Nonetheless, today is my time to share a new unboxing with you guys, because finally I sent my husband to Hermès to pick up a bag for me. And if you guys know and watched the last video on the channel, you would know that literally it's been a minute since I've been shopping from Hermès, because I literally don't have time to go there. At the same time, they really haven't been offering much to me, and I know that a lot of things are always sold out, so it's you know, it's quite a hassle for me to try and keep up with everything. But if you know, you know, bags are still quite hard to get from the store that I'm at, which is in Beverly Hills in LA. When I received the message to go collect a bag, I was super excited. But as to which bag, we would have to open and find out. Let's get started. You guys know I used to love to film like a 2-part video, which I would be showing you guys a different view when I unbox, but truly this lady has no time for that right now. So I am just going to cut it right open in front of you guys, and we will go from there. First piece, bye-bye, and I think this is the content we need. Do you guys have any guesses as to what is in here? Because what I can share with you is that it is a bag that I currently don't have in my collection, and it is in the size 25. And if you look at this box, you would know it's definitely not a Birkin or a Kelly, because the box would have been bigger. And also I'm waiting to just make up my mind as to what bags I want to collect this year. So I'm really trying to stay focused on that. But besides collecting leather goods, you also need to have a good stand with Hermès, which means you have to also buy things from other department. So I'm just trying to, you know, get my list sorted so that I can be on the right track. But this is the first bag that my SA texted me about this year in 2023. Let's open it together. Sometimes I feel like they do get cheaped out with using the same size box for different products. Like this could have been like a shoe box, but rather they use it for a bag. And she is over here. And believe it or not, this is my first time seeing the bag together with you guys, because when I got the tags, I was just asking my husband to go. I didn't even take a look at the bag. I know what the bag is. I immediately said yes, and this is the first time I'm looking at her live with you guys. All right, you ready for the reveal? It's a gold color something. It's quite a giveaway already from the front. It is the Hausen 25 in gold with I actually don't know what hardware it is because he didn't tell me. I think it's silver hardware. I don't know. We already have a mini Evelyn in silver. I'm hoping this is gold, but yes, it is gold. Wow. I don't know. This is literally to protect that. All right, you guys, so meet my brand new Halsen 25 and gold color with gold hardware, and I believe this is the same Torian leather. It just smells so nice always. And obviously I haven't set her up properly, but in here we have a little bag stuffer. Also from the inside of the bag, I picked up a strap to go with it. You can tell I haven't filmed for a while when I go. It's a strap, but it is a strap for the bag. So I will set her up properly after this because it's really hard for me to manage. I guess this bag does not come with any locks. There's really no choice but with one hole in the front. So that's the only place you can put it. And there it goes. And truly, I think the bag is supposed to be used like this, but most of us use it folded. So it's a really good size. And one thing about the Hermès bags is that their detail never managed to disappoint me in any way, because now since I've been buying Hermès bags, if I look at other bags, the quality is just not the same level. As you can see, the sides are kind of soft and folded in right now, and the bottom doesn't really have any feet, so it's not a super structured bag. And inside it's also all soft leather in the same tone, which is gold. I think this is a Swift leather. This is it, my new little Halsen. I'm going to be styling it and then sharing more photos on Instagram with you guys. I'm sure you're gonna be seeing a lot more photos and how I use this in a different setting. So make sure you follow me both on my First Luxury on YouTube as well as Instagram pages. All right, another thing that I've been waiting to share with you guys is that my family is expanding again. So yes, my husband and I, we are now expecting our second kid. You know, all the time I've been off, I just haven't really feel like I had the energy to put it, you know, I don't have the energy to put it together creatively for you guys, and I do apologize because I definitely don't want to give up filming things for you guys and sharing all the luxury information. So yeah, it's been quite a busy, you know, 3 months for us, and finally I can announce and share that news with you guys, and we're super excited. And we also found out the gender of the next baby. So if you guys have any guesses, let me know in the comment section below, as I would love to share it with you guys so soon. So that's been the little life update with me. So life has kept me very busy. Besides work, you know, and raising a toddler, now we're having one additional member that's going to join us sometime towards the end of the year. So we'll definitely be sharing more with you guys as I go along. I haven't been talking much, so I feel like I need to catch a breath. But I really hope you guys continue to support the channel, and let me know in the comment section below also if you have anything else that you wanted to watch or any other topics that you're interested, and I would love to continue filming all the topics for you guys. All right, that is for now. You guys have met my new Hermès bag. Hopefully I will get use out of this, because the other bags, honestly, the only one that I've used lately is my mini Cali, and that was it. So I look forward to sharing more of, you know, updates with you guys on my Hermès journey, and hopefully this year we can collect something cool. And also my family and I are going abroad. We're going back to Europe to visit my husband's side of the family. So hopefully we will do some fun shopping, and I will try my best to vlog. So that is pretty much what to expect coming up on the channel. So if you haven't subscribed, I would love if you do, because it really supports the channel. And that is it for now. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye guys. Those